Hey there, students. Today, let's dive into a topic that's super important for our future: global warming. What exactly is global warming? Well, it refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels, which increases greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Now, let's talk about the causes of global warming. First up, greenhouse gas emissions. Gases like carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, trap heat in our atmosphere. Then there's burning fossil fuels. Every time we burn coal, oil, or gas, we release more CO2. Deforestation also plays a role. Fewer trees mean less CO2 absorption. Industrial and agricultural activities don't help either. Factories and livestock release even more greenhouse gases. And let's not forget about waste and pollution. Landfills produce methane, and industries emit heat-trapping gases. So what happens when our planet warms up? Rising temperatures. We get increased heat waves and extreme weather. Melting ice caps are another big issue. They lead to rising sea levels and coastal flooding. More natural disasters come into play too: stronger hurricanes, wildfires, and droughts. And it's not just the environment that's affected. Biodiversity loss means habitat destruction and threats to species. There are health risks as well. Heat waves and air pollution can cause diseases. Plus, food and water scarcity. Droughts can reduce crop yields and water availability. But don't lose hope. There are solutions to global warming. We can switch to renewable energy. Think solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Reducing fossil fuel use is crucial too. Promoting electric vehicles and energy-efficient appliances can make a difference. Planting more trees is a great way to absorb CO2. Improving waste management through reducing, reusing, and recycling helps as well. Sustainable agriculture can reduce methane emissions from livestock, and supporting international agreements like the Paris Agreement can help us reduce emissions globally. In conclusion, global warming is a serious threat, but with collective action we can slow its impact. By adopting sustainable practices, reducing emissions, and supporting green technologies, we can help protect our planet for future generations. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you next time.